Welcome to Kyros Network, where we help you stay connected, informed, and in control of your technology. Your router is the central hub of your home network, yet most people barely touch its settings. Today, we're going to explore your router's admin page, show you what it does, and teach you how to use it to boost your Wi-Fi, secure your network, and troubleshoot issues. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident managing your router like a pro. Step 1. Access the admin page. The first step is logging into your router. Open a web browser and enter your router's IP address, usually something like 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. If you're not sure, check the label on the router or your device's network settings. When prompted, enter the username and password. This might be printed on your router or provided by your ISP. If you've changed it before, use your custom credentials. Logging in gives you full control over your network settings. Step 2. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard, which gives an overview of your network status. This typically shows connected devices, bandwidth usage, and Wi-Fi status. Take some time to explore the layout. Most routers divide their admin page into sections like Wi-Fi settings, security, firmware updates, and device management. Understanding the dashboard helps you navigate quickly when you need to make changes. Step 3. Check connected devices. Next, look at all the devices connected to your network. Routers usually list device names, IP addresses, and connection types. This is crucial for spotting unauthorized users. If you see devices you don't recognize, you can block them or change your Wi-Fi password to secure your network. Monitoring connected devices also helps you identify which gadgets might be using too much bandwidth and slowing down your internet. Step 4. Optimize Wi-Fi settings. One of the most important areas is Wi-Fi configuration. You can change your network name, SSID, and password, ensuring you're using strong WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. You can also adjust the Wi-Fi channel. Most routers default to auto, but if nearby networks are crowded, interference can slow your connection. Switching to a less congested channel, for example, channels 1, 6, or 11 on 2.4 GHz, can boost speed and stability. Step 5. Advanced features for better performance. Many routers offer advanced features that are easy to overlook. Quality of service, QoS, lets you prioritize certain devices or applications like gaming, video calls, or streaming, ensuring they get enough bandwidth. You can set up guest networks to isolate visitors from your main network, which adds security. Some routers allow parental controls to block sites or limit screen time. Exploring these options can help you customize your network for your household's needs. Step 6. Keep firmware updated. Routers need regular firmware updates. These updates fix bugs, patch security vulnerabilities, and sometimes improve performance. Most routers include a firmware update section on the admin page. Some can even update automatically, but it's a good idea to check manually from time to time. Keeping your router updated ensures a faster, more secure network. Step 7. Monitor and troubleshoot your network. Finally, your router's admin page is a powerful troubleshooting tool. You can view logs, monitor bandwidth usage, and identify connectivity issues. If your Wi-Fi feels slow or drops intermittently, the admin page can show if a particular device or background app is causing congestion. Some routers even allow diagnostic tests to check latency or packet loss. Learning to use these tools can save time and prevent unnecessary frustration. By exploring these steps, accessing your admin page, understanding the dashboard, checking connected devices, optimizing Wi-Fi, using advanced features, updating firmware, and monitoring your network, you'll be able to manage your home network with confidence. Most importantly, these settings help you get the most out of your internet without needing new equipment or expensive upgrades. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Kyros Network for more business and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.